When your user has finished their work in Access, they should close the program to free up system resources and prevent passersby from viewing data they might not need to see. In this movie, I'll show you the VBA code you use to close a database or to quit access. For this exercise, I'm going to open the Close Database or Quit Access form in Design View. So in the navigation pane, I'll right-click that form and then click Design View to open it. And the form has two buttons on it. The first one is called Close Database, and the second is called Close Access. To start out, let's work with Close Database. So I'll right-click the button, and then from the shortcut menu, click Build Event. Then in the Choose Builder dialog box, click Code Builder, because we're working with VBA code, and then click OK. When we do, Access creates a code module that will run when the button that we selected is clicked. And I'll just press Enter a few times and move up using the up arrow to give myself a little room to work. The command to close a database is probably about what you would expect. It is do cmd, no spaces, then a period, and close, close, database, data-base, and then I'll press Tab to accept it. And this action does exactly what it says it will do. It will close the database. What it doesn't do is quit access. So now, if I were to press F5 to close the database, which I won't do because I want to continue working in it, then I would see the database close. So now I'm going to press Alt F11 to go back to the main database window, and now we can work with the Close Access button. So right-click that, click Build Event, click Code Builder, and then click OK. And the idea is to create another subroutine that will run when the second command button is clicked, and that is called Command 1. Press Enter a couple of times, give myself a little room. The Close Database method is very intuitively named, and so is the option to quit access. It's called Quit. So to type that in, I would type do cmd, period, and then quit, Q-U-I-T. Then when I press the space bar, I can select my options, and I'll press the Escape key to remove the super tooltip that was obscuring the top option. The options I can set control how Access will handle the data within the database as it closes. The top option, Quit Prompt, asks you if you want to save any changes in any open object. The second is Quit Save All, which saves everything regardless of your choice. And the third is Quit Save None. In this case, I will use the down arrow to highlight Quit Save All to save any changes, and then press the Tab key. Now if I press the down arrow, I need to save this code module, so I'll press Ctrl S, and I will save changes both to the form and to the code module. So I'll click Yes, and the module name I'll leave as Module 1. Click OK, and now I'll press Alt F11 to go back to the main database. Now on the form, I need to switch back to Form View so that I can click the button and have it run its code. So on the Design Contextual tab, I will click the View button to go back to Form View, and then click Close Access. When I do, Access closes, and because I said Save No on the Quit option, it closed without asking me if I wanted to save any changes. Closing a database removes its information from Access's user interface, while quitting Access entirely closes the program. When you write automated procedures to import or export data, your code should always contain code to quit Access so you don't leave it running on your system.